So hey guys, welcome back once again. This time around, the 1971 Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTR. This car debuted, as you see it here, with the new grille and back end of it detailed, front end detailed. You can see there, very cool. This car did come out in a stock form in RLC a few years back, as well as being a membership car. This time around, mainline, or we'll call it fancier mainline, with the Fast and Furious sets or series. This car was designed by Sonny Fisher in 2023. It debuted, and so far this is the only example of a stock version of mainline, because the RLC one has an opening hood and rail rider tires. Not going to go into all the other variations, but this is the GTX done by Junimai. Very cool car. You can see no detail back and front, tampos, and as you all know, this car, or this casting, has been done numerous times all over the show. Quite cool. As well as this one not having a roll cage. You did get variations of the black one that had a roll cage. This car being right hand drive and no passenger seat, which I found funny. On this one also has no passenger seat. Poor Mia Toretto falling around while Brian's driving the car. Anyway, that's that for this one, and I'm going to open it up soon. Said one did by Junimai, so I took castings like these and I did my own stock variations with rail rider tires, bumpers, detailed back and front sections, one with Watanabe looking wheels, an engine block that I got out of a different car, and then also I did, in one of my other videos, I did the Hakatora Pickup with flip front end, detailed engine, as well as removable body. I am in the works of building the real thing. Put links down below to those videos, as well as this one. This one obviously made into a pickup body to replicate the Nissan Sunny pickup, or as we got it in South Africa, the Nissan 1400. It had a 1400cc 4-cylinder. So let's open this guy. As you guys know, I don't open a lot of cars on the channel, but when I do, there we go. Quite a nice model. I said a lot of detail on the front end. Nice detail on the rear as well. It's a very cool car. Also with the rear view mirrors that the GTX casting did not have. So guys, thanks for tuning in. That short video, and we'll see you on the next one. Enjoy. Cheers.